Alright, the work bay is empty as you can see. That means that the car is out. The car is loaded up on the trailer. We are doing our first event this weekend, so we got a test and tune tomorrow and then the first autocross on Sunday. So I know you haven't seen the car completely done yet. I wanted to try to get the videos all out in order, but Autocross is starting and I want to try to get you guys Autocross videos also, and kind of in relative time, not months after the event actually happened. So that means that we're probably going to be doing Autocross videos and then car build videos and then Autocross videos and kind of like that until the car build videos are caught up to the Autocross videos, up to kind of like real time. So I'm going to do my best not to ruin the car build videos that I have coming up. So I'm going to try not to show too much of the items that I've been working on, and that I'll have build videos coming out here soon on those. Hopefully you guys enjoy these Autocross videos. I'm not sure how this one's going to turn out, so we'll kind of see how it goes, and we'll do our best to improve them as we go. We'll have at least an Autocross once a month. We might try to do more. So feedback on what you guys want to see, what worked, what didn't work. I'll do my best to make them better. So as I said, the car is loaded up. So I'll see you guys in the morning at the test and tune. All right, we're out of the test and tune, guys, and it's going pretty good. So I did a couple runs on the old Hoosiers that I had, and they're trash. They're old, they're worn out. We're now on the Falcon RT 660s, and the grip is just amazing. It's really good. So right now, the best time, so this is just a test and tune, so the track is really simple. It's just a slalom, a sweeper, and a lane change. So far, the best I've ran is a 20.1. There are some cars that are running like a 19.9, 19.8. So I'm trying to get there. So I'm like 0.2 to 3 seconds off of them. So we'll see what we can do on this run. This is probably going to be the last run for this heat. So stay tuned. Yeah, but 20.1 still. Damn. So close, so close. Alright, we're out at the first Autocross of the season. Getting ready to start my first runs. Course is looking really good. We're dry, we're sunny. We're on the new Falcon RT 660s. I did do a small sway bar change at the end of the day yesterday, so we'll see how it feels today. Okay, we got first run starting up, so let's get going. 41.5. Top time for the day is a 41.0. So I got a half a second that I need to try to get down. So right now my overall position is 3 and I'm packs of 2. Unfortunately there's nobody else in my class right now, so I'm 1 of 1, but we are going for top times a day apparently. We're getting 5 runs, so we'll see what we can do.
Understeer and exiting. Alright, that was a 39!
Out run number 4. Still trying to beat my first run of a 41.5, which still has me in overall 3rd and packs 3rd. So we'll try to improve on that. There's still a whole nother heat to go with another fast car, so we'll see what we can do on this run. We got one more after this.
All right.
number one, baby. Started run number 5. Run number 4 was awesome. I got a 40.8, which was fastest time of the day, and then it got stolen away by another car right after me. So gonna have to try to do better, but they ran a 39, and I just don't think I don't think this car's got a 39 in it. But we will see what we can do. But
I thought that would have slowed way the heck down.
Fastest run,
so
40.5. So overall position number 2, Pack's position number 1. Number 1, baby. Alright, we just want to do a recap of today's events. So we started off with doing a test and tune on Saturday and then an autocross on Sunday. It was our first event after finishing the car and running in Cam T and running on the Falcon RT 660s. Overall, we really liked the tires. They were really grippy, gave a lot of confidence.
We also ran the slicks.
Yeah,
for fun.
In the test and tune, I ran the slicks, and they were
out.
2 years old, so they did not do very well at all. So results of the event for Ashley, she finished in 2nd in ladies, which is awesome. Right behind a Porsche, and then right ahead of the same Porsche with a different driver. For me, as I said, there were no other KMT drivers, so I won my class. But
well, lucky you.
But so that just pushed me to do better overall. So overall, I finished 4th in raw time, and then in packs, I finished in second. So I am loving this new packs time of the car. It's great. Now I see why some people hate packs and some people love packs. Before running in C prepared, I always got bumped down in time instead of getting bumped up in time now with the KMT pack. So why Cam has such a lax packs, I don't know, but it's great. I mean, PAX is a nationwide thing, so it kind of shows how, or it should even out vehicles that are more prepared to less prepared and nationwide. So
We'll take it.
yeah, we'll take it. It's so for the next events, not changing anything on the car. I'm just gonna leave it how it is. Everything seemed really good. Yep. Till the next Autocross.